What? What? How did that not get hooked? Here. Come back. Come on back. No! What? Ow! That was under. U-N-D-E-R.
Damn it.
Well, someone else is bobber now.
Well, motherfucker. I think I got more. I was smart this time.
Old country road, take me home
No.
to the place.
Shut up.
I belong.
I can deal with Kesha. I can deal with Taylor Swift. I can't deal with that.
What do you mean deal with Taylor Swift?
Oh, damn it.
What the fuck, man?
Hey, there we go.
Get one? Good.
Ah, yeah, baby. Now we're talking. I think I may have caught the one fish that was in here. Hey, oh no! Oh,
What?
I don't know what that was, but it snapped my line.
It did?
Yeah.
I think you gotta put some new line on there. Get this fish in. Woo. Snapped my line. If I can figure out how to weigh this guy, I might be winning more. That's a nice fish. God damn it.
Gotcha.
Come on. Grizz, no. Hey, no. There you go. Grizz, get back. Get back. Get back. Double.
Woo! Double and on camera.
Oh, just barely a double. Okay, let's get back. What do we have before 6? Does that make 8 here?
I think so.
Oh shit, we're almost done. That's 9, baby. One more.